your boy Soy back here, another freaking video. You already know what's going on, man. Another POV video. I gotta get these videos before it starts snowing in the next couple of days, so that's another POV drive, you know what I'm saying? You know. Shit! But yeah, I'm about to just cruise around, probably go to my mom's house and shit. Probably hit the shop. You know. 6-speed. Oh, this car just cut me off. What's their problem today? But yeah, man, thank you for hitting 10K subscribers. You know, I'm already at like 10.1, almost 10.2. Gained 200 subscribers in what, a day? That's crazy. But yeah, man, I'm gonna really stop talking. I'm gonna just, y'all can just hear the car whine. And I'm putting E85 on here, and I'm porting a blower, and I'm installing my new clutch probably next week, cause I already got the clutch. So I'm probably doing that next week too. So yeah, man, hopefully y'all enjoyed the video. Subscribe, like the video. Yeah. Drive this car like 2 days. It's cold as fuck outside. Let me check my tire pressure. Shit feels kinda, they all at 28, 27. Sound crazy though. That chop. That chop. Got a little wing stock right here, you know what I'm saying? It do feel good out here. What is like 38 degrees. Little nice, little sunny, dry day. Might get another cruise in today, probably. Pump these videos out, you know. Yeah, let me know what kind of videos y'all want to, like what kind of videos y'all would like to see, y'all want to see POV driving, or just vlogging type videos, because I got another video, basically like 5 things I like about my Camaro, 5 things I don't like about my Camaro. So that's coming out soon. Can't wait to get this new clutch in here though, man. It's gonna be crazy. I can have like my full power when I got my clutch. Why was you coming my lane for, brother? Thank you. I like drivers like you. be thinking, I'll be like, damn, I should have got a 10 speed. Then I realized a grown man gonna get a 6 speed, you know? I wanted a 10 speed because it's fast as shit. Then again, only real YNs get 6 speeds. Yeah, I'm a real YN. So that's why I got a 6 speed on, bro. You know? Real YNs like to have fun, you know what I'm saying? I mean, 10 speeds, you like to have fun winning. Also, 6 speed, you can have fun and still win. Sometimes. I'm just being honest though. It's fucking hard to beat automatics. But it's alright though. Mod your car, you can beat. I guess it just depends how much money you pay in a car. Really. But let's do a little pull right here. Let's do a third gear pull. TTSV right there. I don't like. Sometimes I want to go on that. It's a great day to have a great day, brothers. Barbecue place do a little busting. I'm so glad I got a heat warmer or steering wheel heat thingy, whatever you call it. Shit's so clutch. God damn. Why are we going the same speed as the Amazon truck? Oh, this is my homie lot that he be selling his cars from. In this car, boy. Next season for sure. Next season for sure. Can't wait till next season. Full bolt-on E. Ugh. Yeah, after that, that's really what I'm doing. I'm done with the car shit. I don't even know much. I don't need no more after that. Video, man, just a good little short cruise, you know, but hopefully y'all enjoyed this video, you know. Hopefully y'all enjoyed this video, like the video, comment on the video, subscribe to your boy, and yeah, man, I'm out, man. Peace.